Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install the graphic card like I said before. So the graphic card play a really important part for the gaming desktop because I know they already have a built-in graphic card in Intel i7, but that is not enough because that actually is for work, and they only give like 1280 times 720 resolution, I guess, something like that. But for gaming you need extra graphic card. So here I have Gigabyte GeForce 580 UD. So the reason I didn't buy like 700 or 800 and 600 series is because I found out that's quite pointless and waste of money. Because none of the game right now actually go on that high resolution or need that strong graphic card like that. And so I found out 580 is good enough for me right now. So now we moving on to installing the graphic card. So the slot for the graphic card here, it depends on what where's your motherboard placed on, and it should be here. It's shorter than the RAM, but longer than the wireless cable like that. So here you have to make sure you put it in the right place. That you can see this little gap here. You don't have the go install, and here you have the place where it kind of pop out stuff, and you have to make sure that it's in the right place or you'll harm your graphic card easily. So now we put this little thing in. Nice and easy. Okay. It don't seem to work with me right now. Okay, there we go. So all the thing you have to do is push a little bit, and you can hear the click sound, which means you already put it in and everything is stable right now. But mine have an extra one where you have to put this in and make it much more stable. Oops. Okay, let's see. So here, okay, so now all the thing we do is squirt. Okay, here we go. So this is how you install your graphic card. So next video I will teach you guys how to install the hard drive. Yep.